So quick story time. The other day on Twitter, we were watching Parks and Rec as we do literally every day, and we came across this scene.
Red Vines, anyone?
We're a Twizzlers family.
And so I tweeted out that Twizzlers are obviously better than Red Vines. And this was the interaction I had back and forth with Red Vine. As you can see, I posted Twizzlers are worlds better than Red Vines. I'm referencing my tweets here.
And we got a box here.
And Red Vines posted, we are personally victimized. And so we had some back and forth. I'm showing a little bit of it here.
Yeah, back and forth showing over here.
But what happened was, after we talked for a couple hours, Twizzlers had never chimed in. And even though we were razzing each other a little bit, I said, Red Vine said, let's agree to disagree. I said, deal. You do get massive credit for replying while Twizzlers left me hanging. And they said, now you know who your best friends are. Well, this showed up in the mail today. It is a box from the American Licorice Company.
That is for me and Daddy.
Yes, it's for us.
What is inside the box? What is inside the box? What is inside the box?
Let's open it up.
Yeah.
Okay,
Here.
hold on.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Hold on. All right, open it. Open it.
Open. Oh, card.
What's it say?
Inside.
It says, greetings from California, Red Vines. Open it up. Hi Josh, we're excited to welcome you to our friend circle. Enjoy the sweet package on us, and as you always know who your true friends are, Red Vines. You're killing it here. All right.
What is this?
These are Red Vine licorice. Let's see, these are Red Vine made simple.
Red Vine.
Another pack of that.
Red
Oh my
Vine.
goodness, there's so many Red Vines. Original Reds. Original Reds. Black licorice. Grape. Black licorice. Red ropes. Oh. Red Vine mixed bites. Grapes. And pull that out. Oh, it's a Red Vine sticker.
Red Vine sticker.
Woo.
For our refrigerator.
We wouldn't put a sticker on the refrigerator. Put it on your face. You're gonna have to use your muscles.
So many red bodies. So many red
What
bodies.
else ridiculous? Alright, so we got a sticker. We got this massive tub of original Red Vines.
And we got red wine.
Hold on.
Red wine, red wine.
We got Red Vine bites, black licorice and original red. We got red rope, snack size pieces.
Regular red.
Well, hold on. Let's see how many we got. These are grapes. These are black licorice. These are original. Okay, so we got 2 of each, it looks like. So we got 2 black licorices. We got
Grape.
2 grapes.
2 black delicious.
2, I'm assuming these are organic or all natural, made with real sugar, always fat free. Red Vines mixed berry twist.
Oh, red wine.
And Red Vines originals. You want to try some?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna start with red rope.
Yep, red rope. Red rope.
What do you think? Thumbs down? Okay. You don't want it? Okay. Alright, I know I don't like black licorice. Do you like black licorice?
Let me try black licorice.
The red ones taste way different though. I like the red one. The black ones are a thumbs down? Alright. Try the red ones. I like the red one. Are ones a thumbs up? Or red ropes are a thumbs down. I like them. Red Vine Bites, the red, the original red are good. Alright. This is the black ones, Zane. You want to try the black ones?
It's the same.
No, not black licorice.
Alright, I'm going to try it anyways.
I'm gonna try. I don't know if I do.
Nope. It's actually not terrible.
Actually, not terrible.
It's like the best black licorice I've ever had. Most black licorice is like super strong. Yeah, let's really break them in half. This is great.
Oh.
Very good. You like your grapes? Alright. You have my piece. Want to try a red one? Original red.
Look, I'm twisting it.
Alright. Original red's pretty good. Red Vines Made Simple. These are made with real sugar. Mixed berry twists. They look a little bit different. Not as bright red as licorice. What?
I don't like them twist
Then
together.
don't twist them together. One at a time. You like the grape ones a lot, huh? Yeah.
I don't want any more.
You don't want any more? Okay. I think I like these ones better.
Better than the red?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I like the
Dun, 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 dun,
mixed,
dun,
made with real sugar ones better. That was awesome. Alright, what was your favorite flavor? Red and grape. Mine was definitely the red and the mixed berry twists is what they're calling them. They're made with real sugar.
Thumbs down for black licorice.
Yep. Yep. Thumbs down for black licorice.
I thought you liked black licorice. No?
No way, Jose.
No way, Jose. Bye, I'm out of this video.
Thanks guys for watching. This, I don't know what you categorize these kind of videos under. They did send it to us for free, but obviously we were not paid to say anything that we said here. So, but thanks for watching. Thank you so much for Red Vines for sending us all this stuff. We'll definitely find someone to eat the black licorice for us. But the rest of them, I think we can do some damage on our own, right?
Thanks for watching. Bring y'all in.